So, good evening. If you look at that barbed wire up there, we must be somewhere pretty secure. So we look all the way around. Very high walls. We are at Shepton Mallet Prison here in Shepton Mallet. So we are here for Zombie Infection, the workshop. As you know, we've done a number of Zombie Infections events. This is the first time we've been to this event at Shepton Mallet. We have been to other events here at Shepton Mallet, immersive events. Did the street and they did Back to Terror Christmas. But Zombie Infection have hired the event and hired the venue, and we are going to go inside. So we've got 2 hours of shooting, chasing by zombies, and having fun. So we will let you know what it's like when we come out on the other side.
We have
Video.
If they scratch you, quarantine.
Oh no.
Go, Sam. Get amongst the zombies. So you can probably tell we have just finished Zombie Infection, the workshop here at Shepton Mallet. We'll do a full review when we get out afterwards, but as you can see, the zombies are a little bit active. Goodbye! Goodbye! And so that's it. We have just escaped from Zombie Infection, the workshop at Shepton Mallet Prison. Oh my God, that was so much fun. It was probably one of the best Zombie Infection events we've done. It was up there with the courthouse for immersive storytelling. Great venue. The corridors and the little rooms, zombies just seemed to come from nowhere. It was so dark in places. A couple of times we were split up. We actually went down corridors on our own, picking off zombies as we went. The zombies were just really active, really lively throughout. And the storytelling was probably the best we've had. Some very good actors in there tonight. And we genuinely had a great time for 2 hours worth. From the moment we went in, it's a 2-hour immersive experience. You make decisions along the way. At one point we had to decide were we going to stay with the rebels or were we going to go with the Harvard Tech guys, the guys who created the virus. One lot were the good guys, one lot were the bad guys. We're not going to say which was which, but we just, in that split second, half the group went one way, half the group went the other. And I was expecting we were all going to be pulled back or have to make a group decision. But no, after that, some people went one way and did one part of the storyline, and the rest of us went a different way. So that was really well done. As I said, the actors were brilliant. The venue was amazing. It's Shepton Mallet Prison. And although not actually in the prison building itself, there's enough of it. There's enough cages and whatever. It's got a real prison feel. It's very tight, very controlled, and very scary. So we just want to say congratulations to everyone at Zombie Infection. That was absolutely stunning. There were 4 of us down there tonight. 2 people who'd never done one of these events before, and they were completely blown away. We've done a number of Zombie Infections events, but yeah, we think it was probably their best yet. So well done to everyone involved. We're going to sign off now, and we will see you all at the next event, which will be coming up very soon. See ya.